Hello friends, I am Sharma. I have almost 14 years of experience in project automation and maintenance department. I am working as a manager in one reputed company in Ahmedabad. So during the running plant, we sometimes face several issues to troubleshoot the PLC and other automation parts of the plant. So I found some difficulties and some doubts in my job. So I approached Softwell Automation, and one more problem with me was I cannot spare much time for any training program due to work pressure in my company. So Bhavesh sir gave me online training, and that also as per my convenient time. Sometimes I attended training in the evening, sometimes in the night, sometimes in the early morning, like that. I attended training program, and after completing the training program, I came to Pune for the classroom training and clear all my doubts. And Bhavesh sir is quite skilled and knowledgeable person, and his method of delivering the training is very effective. In very short period of time, I must say in 2 or 3 days classroom training, he cleared all my doubts and how to troubleshoot the program in the running without affecting the process, without stopping the machines, everything. He gave me live examples and training. And one more thing I will say, that nowadays everything is moving towards the automation. See, the world is near about industry 4.0, but almost many companies in our country, it is still in industry 2.0. So from 2.0 to 3 or 4, we must have knowledge about automation, and there is lots of scope for the students in this field. Although I am a BTech graduate, still without this PLC knowledge, we every time we feel little bit difficulties in the running system. And in every company there is a lots of scope for the automation engineer, for PLC programmer. Even in my company there are many vacancies in this field. So any students who wants to make his career in process industries, in automation field, they must come to Softwell Automation, and they visit and they can take training and they can explore in this world. Thank you.